Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Google phone guys phone sleep time guys, how to increase it. Friends, your phone just sleep just a second. So how to increase guys Google phone guys phone sleep time guys. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to increase guys Google phone guys phone sleep time settings. So once we will on guys Google phone setting guys, after on Google phone setting guys, you can see guys your phone this type of setting. So guys where is guys phone sleep time setting, hence you can guys find in display setting. Then guys click on my phone screen timeout, means guys your phone sleep time guys you can increase from here. So guys I will increase into guys like 2 minutes. So once after 2 minutes guys your phone will sleep automatic. But guys you want in guys 10 minutes, you want in 5 minutes. So guys you want to do a 30 minutes, so guys you can increase into 30 minutes. So when screen will not, or means your phone will not sleep in 20 and 25 seconds after 30 seconds. And guys when you will not tap guys, you will tap guys, time will start again continue. So guys we will not tap guys, we will not touch guys anywhere in this full screen. So after 30 minutes phone will sleep automatic. So like that guys we can increase guys our Google phone sleep time guys. You can check guys, your phone will not sleep in just a minute and second guys, after 30 second phone will sleep automatic. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to increase guys Google phone guys phone sleep time setting. So bye guys friends, do you have any doubt guys related to guys your Google phone guys phone sleep time setting and guys any display setting guys, you can ask me in comment section guys, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.